Hey guys, welcome back to Fork It Up with Neely. My name's Janelle, and today we're gonna go over Esmeralda's vegan chocolate chip cookies.
Alright guys, let's just get started. 1.5 cups of flour, a half a tablespoon of baking soda, 1/4 tablespoon of salt, a half a cup of confectioner sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of chocolate chips, yum, 1/4 cup of oat milk, a tablespoon of oil, and 1/4 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And I would just mix it all up with a spoon. You really don't need a whisk. I only made about a small portion for about like 6 to 8 cookies. If you really want to do something more than that, double up, triple up the recipe. And that's pretty much all to it. You really want like a clumpy type of texture, not too liquidy and not too tough. So I pretty much use like those ice scoopers. You don't really necessarily need to use that. You could use a spoon too, but I'm gonna show you how to use this because that should be more proper. And scooping it out is pretty easy, but my best bet would use a spoon, but it's completely up to you guys. This is your vegan cookies and you do it how you want. You're gonna bake them under a 350-degree oven, and 10 to 12 minutes is a good time. Cooling time would be about 5 minutes.
Try to give about like an inch or two apart. They are gonna spread. They're gonna be a little bit more round or oval. Depends on your preference. Thank you so much, guys. Hit the like if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and stay tuned for another video with me on Fork It Up with Neely. And just have a happy Halloween.